So we're back. This time, I'll be showing you guys how to remove parts from the runner. And it's very simple. All you need is this. We need this so we could get the part out clean. If we just rip it out, we'll get something like this. We call this the nub. And it's not nice to see after fully assembling your model. So let's go back to the model and get the runner where we will take the parts out. So let's get to it. Just cut the gates like so. There. Ain't that easy? So watch how I remove the parts one by one. Did you know how hard it is to remove the parts while on camera and hiding yourself from people? Try it yourself. It takes assembly to a whole new level. Definitely a whole new level. Here's a nice tip for you. Familiarize yourself with the parts and how the assembly would go. It would save you time in your neck looking at the manual every time you simply forgot the next step. Okay, we're done. Here's another tip. We'd rather organize the parts so you would be on track when you assemble them. You see how I arranged them so things would be tidy and in order. So I guess you get the concept. So let's speed things up a bit. Ain't that easy? So there you have it. This is how we prepare the parts before going to the next step, which is sanding. Hope you guys learned. End video.